We have some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and some onion powder along with some salt. And on the back of these, we have some mixed spice and herb blends with chili pepper and parsley and garlic seasoning from Ross. And then we also have some smoked paprika, garlic, chili, and chive seasoning blend. Along with that, we got some of this here kicking chicken finger licking spice blend. They all come from Ross with some olive oil. Come on, y'all. We're about to get up into this. We're going to make us some oven baked fried chicken. Some of the best oven baked fried chicken that you could ever make. First thing we're going to do, I got about 8 thighs here. And then I'm going to take my olive oil and put it right into the middle. So I did clean and I prepped my chicken up, y'all. I trimmed some of the fat off of the chicken and I also cleaned and washed it thoroughly. So now I'm going to take these seasonings that you've seen and I'm going to add it to it. Use your own measurements. So I'm taking some kosher salt, adding the kosher salt to this. All right. And like I said, let the ancestors guide you when it comes down to using the measurements. You be the judge of how much you want to put in. Now I'm taking some of this here onion powder, and you can put as much as this as you want, y'all. It's not going to hurt or destroy this recipe. Trust and believe me. Along with that, I'm going to add in some of this here cayenne pepper. Now you can be the judge of how much heat you want. You can lower the level or you can intensify the level. It's your choice. All right. So the next ingredients I'm going to add to this is going to be some garlic powder. Add as much as you want with this. It's not going to hurt this ingredients. Trust and believe me, there is no sodium in this particular seasoning. So now we're going to go with some of this here kicking chicken finger licking from Ross. My God, I'm telling y'all better stop sleeping on Ross. Ross got some good products, y'all. I'm telling you, I love their products at Ross. Ross is the boss. Then I'm going to add some of this here smoked paprika, garlic, chili, and chive spice blend. Yes, I'm telling you, Ross is where it's at, y'all. Then I'm going to add that, and I'm going to add the next ingredients, which is going to be the mixed spice and herb blend with the chili peppers and parsley and garlic seasoning blend. And I got this from Ross too, off of their shelves. You better get the Ross. I can't say it enough. I love their products. All right. So now I'm going to mix everything together, y'all. Get these seasonings jazzed up into this here chicken. So what I'm about to do now, I have my cast iron skillet, which is seasoned to perfection. And I want to take our chicken thighs, and I want to take these chicken thighs and place them skin side down. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you could use a sheet pan lined up with parchment paper, and it will definitely work well. All right. So this is what we're doing, taking our chicken and placing it skin side down. Now what I want you to do is set your oven to 400 degrees and slide your chicken in the oven. And I want you to let it cook for at least 1 hour uncovered. After you allow it to cook for 1 hour uncovered, this is what I want you to do. Listen to me, y'all. Take your chicken and flip it skin side up. Okay? Let's do that right now. Now, before I put this chicken back in the oven, I got a few pieces that I want to toss in some of my brown stewed onion gravy. All right, so I went and took me some onion gravy and I stewed it on top of the stove in my skillet, cast iron skillet, and I just want to add a few pieces of these pieces of chicken inside this here gravy. I'm telling you, y'all, you can do a lot with this here baked chicken, trust and believe me. Now, I want you to do this here. Take your chicken, put it back in the oven, and turn on your broiler on high heat. Allow it to broil for at least around about 5 minutes so your skin can get crispy. And I also took me some seasoned rice and I microwaved it, and I'm gonna go ahead and plate this baby up. So once you take your chicken out, you flip it flip your skin over on top, put it back in the oven on broil on high heat, let it broil for about 5 minutes, and you'll have the perfect baked chicken. And your skin will be crispy, y'all, and you could definitely enjoy this. Trust and believe me. Now I'm plating this baby up with some seasoned rice, and I'm also gonna toss my chicken right there, y'all. Look at that. Look at that skin. You see how that skin is crispy to perfection? I'm telling you, and it looks so good. And I also have some of this here brown stewed chicken with this. See how easy this recipe is? You understand? If you want to know how I did the brown stewed chicken, comment below and say, show me the brown stewed chicken recipe, and I'll show it to you. That simple, all right? Look at this here, y'all. Let me show you exactly how this meat look once you cut into it. Now, I want you guys to get in there, man, and really cook up some of this here easy, simple, baked chicken that you could possibly bake in the oven, and you could do a lot of work with this here, y'all. So thank you so much for watching this here video. Please watch these videos as well, and I want you to subscribe to my channel if you're not a Mack subscriber. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below and say, show me the stewed chicken, the brown stewed chicken. Love you guys. Love and not hate.